We are currently working on the seat back. We have our upper rail and lower rail complete. We also have our 8 seat slats complete. We need to make sure that all of this is going to fit together in this stage so that when we move on to the glue stage, there's no issues. I found one that was a little bit too tight, so I'm going to clean that up on the dado. That fits better now. We want them to fit snug, but we do not want to have to force them in. Assembled, all of these joints look very nice. We also want to assemble the backrest onto our project. If you remember, there is a possibility that this is a 32nd of an inch too big, and we might have to open up one of the mortise hole locations, but we won't know until we assemble this together. And as expected, I am ever so slightly off. If I take a closer look, I am actually off by about a 1/16 of an inch. And if I widen the mortise hole down, I run the risk of exposing a little bit of the top edge of this hole. So rather, my top mortise hole location, I'm going to widen the hole upward about a 1/16 of an inch on both sides. And then we can see if that fits. And that seemed to do the trick. Everything is lining up really nice. All of the joints look very tight. There are no large gaps or pieces that are loose. Everything is fit snug. Nothing is forced.